Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of a mighty little veggie, the tinny onion, also known as the shallot. Don't let their size fool you, these guys pack a serious punch in terms of flavor and nutrition. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, I'm here to show you why these little gems deserve a permanent spot in your kitchen. Today, we'll unlock the secrets of their nutritional powerhouse, explore their health benefits, and even dabble in some creative ways to use them. So, buckle up, and get ready to be amazed by the tinny onion. Remember those giant onions sitting in your pantry? Well, they may be bigger, but tinny onions hold their own, and then some, when it comes to nutrients. Imagine this, 100 grams of tinny onions pack twice the energy of their big brothers, boasting more protein, carbs, and even healthy fats. But that's not all. They're bursting with vitamins and minerals like calcium, iron, and magnesium, essential for keeping your body running smoothly. Did you know they were traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine? No wonder they call them tinny powerhouses. Now, let's talk about why you should seriously consider adding these little guys to your daily routine. First up, their heart-loving magic. Tinny onions contain a special ingredient called allicin, a natural warrior against high blood pressure and bad cholesterol. Studies even suggest they might help prevent heart attacks. Pretty impressive for something so small. But it doesn't stop there. If you suffer from allergies, tinny onions can be your new best friends. Packed with natural antihistamines, they can help tame that runny nose, itchy eyes, and all the other allergy woes. And here's some good news for our asthmatic friends. Research shows tinny onions might even ease asthma symptoms. Talk about a breath of fresh air. But wait, there's more. Tinny onions are like tiny immune system boosters. Packed with antibacterial, antiviral, and antimicrobial properties, they help fight off infections and keep you feeling your best. Feeling under the weather? Don't just rely on meds. Add some tinny onions to the mix for a double dose of defense. And let's not forget about your outer beauty. Tinny onions can work wonders for your skin, helping manage certain skin conditions. Plus, they boost collagen production, which keeps your hair strong and healthy. Think less hair loss, more luscious locks. Feeling inspired? Let's get creative. Sure, you can chop them up and add them to your usual dishes, but tinny onions offer a world of possibilities. Ever caramelized them for a rich, complex flavor? Or tried pickling them for a tangy punch? They're even amazing roasted whole to bring out their natural sweetness. Feeling adventurous? Make a homemade shallot vinaigrette for your salad or whip up a creamy shallot dip for your next party. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Side effects in moderation. Now, before you go overboard, remember everything in moderation. While generally safe, overindulging in tinny onions can lead to heartburn or stomach upset, especially if you have digestive issues. And for those with irritable bowel syndrome, it's best to steer clear. Additionally, raw tinny onions can leave you with some serious dragon breath. But fear not, there are solutions. Simply chase that oniony taste with water or food, and you'll be good to go. So, there you have it, folks. The tinny onion, a nutritional powerhouse hiding in plain sight. From boosting your heart health to fighting off allergies and even giving your hair a healthy shine, these little guys offer a plethora of benefits. Don't let their size fool you, they're mighty warriors in the kitchen and your body. So, next time you're at the store, skip the big bulbs and grab a bag of tinny onions. You won't regret it. Just remember, the information I provide shouldn't be taken as medical advice, and it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Good luck.